There are a number of variables that are contributing to the rapid growth of the global payments business. These elements include changes in consumer preferences, alterations in regulatory laws, and advancements in technology. In their booklet titled 2023 Trends in Regional Payments, Ripple identifies major trends that underline the significance of current payment systems, such as blockchain, which allows for transactions that are faster, more inclusive, and more transparent. These changes are being implemented as a consequence of the transformation in the financial environment that has been brought about by open banking, secure data exchange, and faster payment processing capabilities. Consumers are showing an increasing interest in the option of making payments directly from their bank accounts. Considering that 71% of customers would rather have payments taken directly from their bank accounts, inconsistencies in regulatory laws and a lack of consumer education programs, on the other hand, make it difficult to raise awareness and stimulate acceptance of the product. The Asia-Pacific region is a global leader in digital banking because it is home to 10 out of the 13 most lucrative digital-only banks out of the world. The only digital format in Singapore? Indies and payments made with QR codes among the novel technologies that have demonstrated substantial acceptability challenges. The Unified Payments Interface is one example. Concerns over privacy and security, in addition to economic volatility, may have an impact on the payment systems that will be used in the future. When it comes to tackling security problems, collaboration between the government and the business sector is vital. As a result of limited access to traditional financial services, Africa is one of the driving forces behind measures to enhance financial inclusion. Within the African financial industry, Katara and Ripple are two notable pioneers that have taken the lead. The continent of Africa is responsible for 70% of the world's mobile money value remittances, and the increasing popularity of crypto-powered remittance payments is helping to extend opportunities for financial accessibility. Despite the fact that the expansion of fintech and support from the government are pushing the trend towards digital payments, there is a significant amount of potential for fintech companies to widen the acceptability of digital payments throughout Latin America. The fact that Effectrap is one of the most major participants in the industry is a direct outcome of developments such as the introduction of the digital euro and the quickening of the systems that handle payments. On the other hand, a sizable number of suppliers continue to avoid providing euro payments in a timely manner, and the presence of competing interests impedes development. In the European Union, the trend towards a single payments area offers a competitive advantage that can be obtained through the implementation of digital-first initiatives and innovations. High fees, low inability, resistance from incumbents, slow adoption, high fees, low inability, and resistance from incumbents are some of the challenges that are now being encountered. Additional challenges include rapid adoption. While this is going on, governments are working to simplify the process of adopting digital assets and making payments in real time. In order to enhance financial inclusion and stability, central bank digital currencies, also known as central bank digit currencies, are rapidly becoming more widespread. In order to provide a concise summary of the significance of innovation and acceptance, it is impossible to overestimate the importance of rapid technology improvement and legislative support in relation to the ever-changing environment of payment systems. Solutions that are centered on the consumer, joint efforts regarding public-private partnerships, and regional differences are all aspects that contribute to the fact that every region is confronted with its own unique set of advantages and disadvantages. When it comes to businesses and the people they serve, Ripple's total solution, which is known as cross-border payments, offers real-time worldwide payments without tying up funds in destination markets. Additionally, it offers proven technology in a worldwide network that is faster, more reliable, and more cost-effective. Ripple, a global payment solution, has been relaunched as Ripple Payments, which focuses on utilizing the power of blockchain to transcend the restrictions of traditional payment systems. Ripple Payments allows users to make payments using blockchain technology. The Ripple Payments platform was developed in order to circumvent these limitations. A stable coin that is linked to the United States dollar has been introduced by the corporation as part of their effort to facilitate international financial transactions. This stablecoin is located on the XRP ledger in Ethereum. Since the very beginning, this has been the major goal that the organization has been working towards. Ripple offers a line of credit that can be accessed using XRP, which is an invaluable contribution to the company's business model. Ripple's solution for cross-border payments makes it feasible to execute transactions across international borders in a manner that is more expeditious, dependable, and cost-effective. This is made possible through the utilization of digital assets such as XRP. Specifically with the intention of producing financial applications that bridge currencies, this technology was built during the development process. Greater than 50% of the financial institutions and enterprises who are concerned with foreign payments have expressed their approval of it. for the purpose of being one of the most significant applications of cryptocurrencies. Traditional payment rails that operate across international borders are dependent on an ever-increasingly limited number of correspondent banks in order to carry out transactions. The settlement periods for these transactions are usually slow, there is little visibility during the processing, and they are burdened by some pre-funding requirements that tie up important working resources. When a payment is made from a Western financial institution, the number of intermediaries that are necessary to carry out the payment increases in proportion to the distance between the two institutions. Payment that leads to transactions that are more expensive has the potential to result in failure. By using the Ripple solution, which helps minimize the number of intermediaries throughout the payment process, it is possible to achieve a significant decrease in the high costs and excessive friction that are associated with traditional cross-border transactions. This reduction is achieved by reducing the number of intermediaries, Ripple and other digital assets that are utilized in the payment flow serve as bridge currencies to last-mile fiat disbursements. This has been made possible by the underlying blockchain technology that enables Ripple payments, which has enabled faster transactions over the course of more than a decade. The minimum amount of time required for Ripple to settle transactions is 3 to 5 days, but the minimum amount of time required for traditional banking systems to complete transactions is 3 to 5 seconds. When compared to these older systems, Ripple's speed and efficiency are really remarkable. It has been said by 58 of the leaders in the level payment industry that the capability to make payments in a more expedient manner is one of the most significant value propositions for incorporating Bitcoin into crypto or cross payments. In addition, Ripple addresses regulatory compliance criteria, which not only ensures that it complies with worldwide standards like ISO 22, International Standard 2701, and SO2 Type 2, but also makes it possible for payments to be more transparent. Because the employee of the XRP ledger is responsible for ensuring that the data associated with transactions is valid, there is no way for hostile actors to change the transaction dates or data that is recorded on the XRP ledger. This is because the XRP ledger employee is responsible for controlling the data. The vast majority of financial organizations are of the opinion that blockchain technology will play a significant or perhaps gigantic role in the future of global banking. Within the next 3 years, 90% of these institutions are of the opinion that technology will have a substantial or massive impact on the business world, the financial sector, and society as a whole. In addition to demonstrating the firm's capabilities to efficiently bridge the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency, the fact that Ripple adheres to the requirements specified by ISO 2082 is evidence that the company is committed to achieving universal interoperability. By making it possible for value to travel around the world in the same way that information does today, the use of Ripple payments is generating a revolution in international business. This revolution is being caused by the usage of Ripple payments. On the other hand, this technology, which is being referred to as the Internet of Value, is producing a change in the way that value is exchanged all over the world. This is accomplished through the utilization of blockchain technology and digital assets, which enables the facilitation of payments that are not only more expedient, but also more affordable and transparent for both the consumers and their customers. It is possible for Ripple to provide access to substantial markets and currencies, including a significant number of those that were previously difficult to reach, thanks to its global partner network.